Hey guys, and welcome back to scripting tutorials of skill series. And this is the part number 5 in which you are gonna learn about bindable functions and remote events. So if you probably noticed that there are stuff, and yeah, I actually recorded this before, but I didn't want it to show you that recording because it would look like a slideshow, not like a video. Trust me, it's bad. So yeah, we have some stuff that is set up, and I'm just gonna show you what I've done. So, and of course, what are those things? So first of all, what are those things? Bindable functions are like something like remote functions, but a bit easier to understand. And I believe this is supposed to be the video before remote function slash event, but it turns out that it's after this. So never mind. At least it would be easier for you to understand that. So how does that work? First of all, bindable events are like remote events. They get fired and they do stuff, but they don't get fired like from server to client or from client to server. Instead, we are like getting fired throughout the clients, or it could be fired, I believe, from server to all the clients. Oh, it's a bit more dynamical, you could say like that actually. We have the script which is empty now. Yeah. So I made this thing that when player enters the game, of course it's a bit useless because you don't need to use the bindable events or functions, but I made this because just I wanted to ban players, but for some reason it got deleted. So let's just make a new one. Ban players equals table which contains like player 1 comma noob, or something parsing strings. And if you notice, yes, I have like a new microphone, but not only that, I actually have a new computer. That means everything is resetted and those colors are a bit odd, even for me. So yeah, and then yeah, if you noticed, I don't really like those default colors, so that's why you can just change it from here, just studio and those color things, as you can see. So yeah, let's continue, shall we? And then guessed, yeah, that is correct. And then we wanna do like this. It's really simple if you watch the previous tutorial, of course. Script the parent dot identity check. Where is it? Identity check dot on wait I messed up. Oh yeah, right, you need to just do the event. It's not on server or on another event, so yeah, that's just event. And yeah, I know you might see that suggestion bar, but I for some reason don't, and that's weird. And then you need to write connect, because on events you write connect, and on functions you write that just equal, and then function like that. Then what we are gonna do, I wanted to pass in argument. Of course you have no idea what am I talking about, but I wanted to do that when player enters the game, of course it returns the player name, or not really player name, but the player that entered, or that's just an object value. And this actually you need to convert a string, because object value, it's an object value and you need to just make it, because this thing that I want to check if one of those object values, which is player, is equal to one of both ones. So yeah, you need a string value, that's why you need to string this thing. And yes, I put the high just to make sure that it actually executed this thing. And now I need to do for I, v in pairs, or you can do I pairs, then players. Yes, I printed out suggestion bar. I know that should suggest that. That's really weird. The bug or something. Really weird. Do if v equals, because we want to, v should be one of those string values, because if v equals name, not this, name, then and then we can just keep the player, of course break, because there's no point to continue looping this if it finds this. So yeah, just to make things a bit more efficient, just to optimize maybe, or something like that. Then we wanna just kick the player, then game dot players, players, then those brackets, because we want to access the players player which name is the name that we passed through all this mess, and the one who joined. So yeah, and then there is a function called kick, which disconnects the dude who joined from the client, and if we press play, it should do the things. To be honest, it should just disconnect you, or not. Yeah, it loaded, but I can't do anything, so it pretty much just on the character which doesn't have anything. Got disconnected. If you wanna... Weird. So pretty much what we did is of course that's default script, and we broke some of the default scripts because we managed to delete the player from players service before character loaded. So yeah, that's why we need to wait a little bit. We need to wait a little bit right there. Well, 5 seconds should do the trick, or more if you want. Best player will be disconnected anyways. Yes, as you can see, and it still throws a couple errors. And now what we want to do is, well, I pretty much did everything, and that took a lot less than before. So yeah, and remote events and functions, I mean bindable events and functions, are not used for that thing, because you could just fit all of this in one script. But now I'm gonna use just tell you how to use the function. So it's really simple. So what you wanna do is just First of all, I'm gonna rename this to this, and then delete this. And it has thing called on invoke. You probably remember this before, which is equal to function, and then this. And you don't need this. And then name. Yeah, that's how you convert events to functions and vice versa. And now I'm gonna explain you again. This thing on invoke is kind of like, well, not maybe not a variable, but it's a special thing called callback, callback event, I guess, or something. And when you call this, it executes this function or calls it, and this equal sign just sets this function to do its things when you write not this, but fire is previous thing. It's invoke, not invoke server, not invoke client, but just invoke. That's why it's simpler. The needles. Invoke clients and stuff. Yes, that is pretty much it. Yeah, it's really simple to learn this thing and do things with it, but it's more like used to like for admin doors or something. For example, if you have like it's also used in Lumber Tycoon because for example, if you cut a tree, it checks it, or if you just click on the tree, it checks if you are the owner of that tree, or if there is no owner of that tree, and then if that tree is owned by someone else, it doesn't let you cut, or else it just lets you cut. Well, you get the drill. And I'll have to end this here because that was quite a simple tutorial, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know that was a bit quick, like really quick, but I hope you understood everything that I said. If you didn't understood, just post in the comment just a question, like what did I said, or what does that mean, or I don't know, what does that mean, or this means, I don't know, just comment something, and I'll see you next time as always.